Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rohania's Creativity. I am Rohania. I create videos related to art and craft, DIYs and many more things which I like to do. I am making a DIY planner for Ramadan. This is a quote which says, Ramadan, a chance to build your Iman, which is very motivational. Now this is the second layer of our planner, which is calendar, which is very important. Here also I have roughly drawn with the pencil first. Now I am finalizing it with the marker. You can also customize the size and shape of the boxes as you like, and you can also add many elements which you like. Here I am keeping the calendar very simple. You need to make sure that the paper is enough to get all the 30 days of the timings and the day and the date. First I will be doing the outlines and then I will fill the details later, and next we will move towards water tracker, which is very important to track when we are fasting. Here I have taken 3 liters of water, for example. You can customize it regarding to your needs. Here I have taken a cap to make a perfect circle. Here I have taken 3 liters of the water, so you need to make sure that there are 3 lines in the circle. Now the fourth layer of the planner is meal plan, in which I am just taking a single paper. For example, you can also take 2 or 3 papers as per your needs. And the fifth layer is Quran tracker. Last and final layer is daily planner, in which you can plan all the things which you are going to do in a day. Now we need to add the color for all the things. I will be writing number of fasting days first, and then I will be writing the timings of Sahar and Iftar. I will be mentioning it with two colors, which is sky blue and navy blue. I'm just writing a few boxes for example. You can also customize it as per your needs. At the top corner I am writing the date of that day and the day, like Wednesday, Thursday example. Like the same process, you need to fill all the boxes, and you can also customize it with adding few elements. Now let's get to water tracker. Here I have taken 3 liters of water. You need to mark something like this when you have completed taking 3 liters of water. You can also mark it as, if you have drinking only 1 liter, you can mark only 1 line, 2 liters 2 lines, like so. Like that you need to track the whole month. Now we'll track meal planner. You need to schedule whatever things you need to prepare on that day. I'm just showing it roughly. Now we'll get to Quran tracker. Here I am showing, for example, number of pages you have read for number of times. You can also customize it as per your needs. And here is daily planner. Here you need to schedule whatever things you need to do at what time. It is a very good reminder. That's it. We have created a 7-layer Ramadan Kareem planner, which is like calendar, water tracker and meal planner. You can customize it as per your needs. I am taking 2 rows, Quran tracker and daily planner. That's it guys. Make sure to like the video. I will be so happy if you like the video. This is the overview of the planner. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. You can comment down below if you have any suggestions. Try this planner and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is RTWOR6. I will be so happy if you try it out and tag me on Instagram. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.